Hi everyone. We're doing 13% of 5. Now this is the tax where we live, right, Louie?
Mm-hmm.
So we often estimate to see if what we get is reasonable by figuring out 15%, but now we're going to figure out the exact amount.
Yeah.
Okay, so 13% of 5. How are you going to figure this out?
So can we think of it as 5 times 13 or 13 times 5?
Yeah, and so I think you're thinking actually of 0.13,
Yeah.
right, times 5. So you're thinking of like 13 cents, and you're going to take 5 of those.
Yeah.
So let's pull things out so people can see why you picked 0.13. So for every dollar, it's 13 cents, right?
Yeah.
So that's 10 cents, and then I'll just pull out 3 pennies there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So basically what you're saying is for every dollar, you need to have 13 cents, and you've got $5,
Mm-hmm.
right? Okay, so let's pull out the rest of them so that we can figure it out. And I will try to keep up with you because you are so fast. Let's see. Okay. Let's see, Louie, if I'll be able to keep up with you. I think I've already lost. There we go. And I've got one more. Okay, so this is kind of cool. So for every dollar, it's 13, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to just move these away now because
Yeah.
we see that, right? Because all we really need to figure out is how much in total is here.
Mm-hmm.
Now, how do you want to figure this out? Because we just need to figure out the total amount here.
Yeah, so we're just going to do 13 times 5. Well, 0.13, so 13 cents.
Okay, so I sort of see what so you're actually going to split this, and you're going to split it into 0.1 and 0.3, right?
Yeah.
So you're going to go 0.1 times 5, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's this amount here.
Mm-hmm.
And how much is there, Louie?
That's 50 cents.
Okay, so I'm just going to write that out. And then you're going to add that to, oh, sorry, I missed a 0 there, 0.03 times 5.
Mm-hmm.
And that's this amount here.
And that would be
15 cents, or 0.15. So altogether then, you have 0.5 plus 0.15.
So 0.20 cents.
0.20. 0.5, so that's 50 cents plus 15 cents.
Oh, yeah, 20 cents.
20 cents, 50 cents, 10, 20, 30,
Oh,
40,
50.
50.
I thought you wrote 50 down. 15.
Oh, yeah, that's the next one. 15 is this, right?
Oh, yeah.
So we've got 50 cents plus
so 65.
65 cents, or 0.65. That's going to write 65 cents, right? That was awesome, Louie.
Thanks. Bye.
Hi, Anna. You're going to help us with 13% of 5. And 13%, that's how much tax we pay where we live, right?
Mm-hmm.
So how are we going to figure out what this is?
Well, I'm going to split it into 10, 1, and 1, and 1.
Oh, okay. So to figure this out, you're going to focus on the 10% and the 1%. So let's go ahead and talk about 10%. So how do you figure out 10% of 5?
Well, 10% of 5 is 50 cents.
50 cents. So I'll write it like this, 0.1 times 5, which would equal 50 cents, so 0.5. Okay, what do we do to figure out 1%?
1%, we move the decimal over twice, so it's 5
Okay.
cents.
Okay, so I'm going to put 0.01 times 5 would equal 0.05. Okay, and we got to take 3 of those, right? So I'm just going to copy this down. Oops. And one more. Okay, now what do we have to do, Anna? We're going to add these all together, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to get 13% then, because 10, 1, and 1. And then here we have, how much do we have here, Anna?
All together, we'll
Yeah.
50 plus 5, 55, 60, and then 65 cents.
Okay, so 13% of 5 is 65. And I'll write 13% of 5 is 65.
Mm-hmm.
That was awesome, Anna.
Thanks. Bye, everyone.